There's always something satisfying about a Love Me unboxing. Today I'm opening the All Day Comfort Ombre Brown Layered Yaki Straight Wig. You'll notice this box has two wigs inside. In this video I'll be focusing on just one of them, but if you'd like to see the details on the other, that video will also be available on my channel. As for the packaging, the extras are consistent. We do have the wig, of course. They also provided a set of Velcro strips to help secure your hair. There's also a custom beauty blender and a custom hair clip, a set of HD wig caps, the label card, a user guide, and a mesh storage bag. This time there's no air freshener, but still that thoughtful presentation that makes the experience feel elevated. Now let's look closely at the wig itself. This is a 7x6 closure with HD length. The cap is flexible, designed to contour to the head for a snug, natural fit. Something unique about this unit is the smart clips built inside. They allow you to adjust the wig to fit 3 different hair sizes, which makes a noticeable difference in comfort and security. The hair is a layered Yaki straight, silky, but with that natural texture that mimics pressed hair. And the color, a rich ombre brown, soft and dimensional, perfect for an understated but polished look. Here it is straight out of the box. The hair comes sleek and straight with a slightly curled bang at the front, and even without any adjustments, the fit feels comfortable and the style has a natural presence. It's one of those wigs you can wear as is and still feel put together. Off camera, I tinted the lace using the Kiss Lace Tint Spray for a seamless match. I also went in with a flat iron to add a few curls throughout the hair. And let me just say, this wig curls beautifully. The texture holds shape without losing its natural movement. I've actually been wearing this wig for about 2 weeks now, and the curls are still holding up very well. There hasn't been much tangling or shedding, and the hair still looks pretty much brand new. I've even gotten a few compliments on it. This wig just blends so naturally. People assume it's my actual hair. And for me, that's what makes this wig one of my favorites. Here's the wig fully styled, and you can see how much parting space the 7x6 closure gives you. Plenty of room for you to shift the part without looking restricted. I'm still wearing this wig glueless, and you can see how flat and snug it lays against the scalp. There's no lifting or sliding, and the blend is clean. From every angle, this wig gives that smooth, natural finish that makes it easy to forget that it's even a wig. This wig has quickly become one of my favorites. The adjustable clips make it genuinely comfortable for all-day wear. The lace blends seamlessly, and the snug cap gives security without having to use any adhesive. This ombre brown is subtle but rich. It looks elevated without being too bold. And the styling versatility has been a highlight. Whether worn straight or curled or just slightly waved, the textures and the layers keep it looking very natural. After about 2 weeks of regular wear, with the curls still intact and barely any shedding, it's proven itself not just beautiful but very reliable. If you'd like to try this wig for yourself, Luvme Hair is currently offering 28% off with my coupon code. You'll find the direct link and all of the details in the description box below. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.